Is This a Great State or What? Is sponsored by Weoki. We got you, Oklahoma.
Power outages, fallen trees, flash flooding, those are still the headaches and headlines from last weekend's storms.
Yeah, unfortunately, they are, but Galen Culver would like to add a little history to the tally of losses. He went back to Camargo to see for himself.
The wind came from the west on Saturday night, rolling across the short grass plains with nothing to stop it except the hill Camargo, Oklahoma was built on just a little over a century ago. For most of that time, the tallest thing in town was this elevator we took pictures of in 2018.
It was a big thing.
The elevator toppled, hit by winds in excess of 80 miles an hour, figures Larita Dye, who ran this facility with her husband in the 1960s.
Well, it don't look as good as it did, even if it was.
She says even days later, it's all anyone around here can talk about.
Oh, that was our main attention around here.
For the past several years, this elevator has started leaning a little, not as much as the old Adams, Oklahoma elevator in the Panhandle had a few years previous, but enough to attract attention. Larita herself drove by it the day before it came down.
Oh, we've been wondering for about a year or two.
Yeah.
It's got to go down.
Laying on its side now, the little tower that held so much of Dewey County wheat harvests over its lifetime looked a little sad in the fading light of a long June evening. Larita herself agreed it looked forlorn sitting in the tall grass.
We had about 3 elevators. There was one north of that one.
But in a country that seems to seek its flat, level horizon with every seasonal extreme, she and others retain a healthy, long-term perspective. Well, nothing lasts forever, I guess, huh?
Not even us.
In Camargo, Galen Culver, News 4. Is this a great state or what?
And builders of those old elevators called them ironclads, built from wood on the inside with corrugated iron as siding. They're a rare sight in western Oklahoma these days, supposedly. The closest one actually is out in Piedmont.